Definitely, I think my mother has stained this polo tee and now it's turning yellow, which is a pity, but yeah, what to do, right? Okay. Hello everybody, welcome back to One Fashion Guy. This month happens to be my birthday month, and I would like to use this chance to share with you my entire Bottega collection. And because it's also my birthday month, I've decided to buy something to pamper myself, and it is here. Ta -ta -ta! Recently, I've been very fond of the Bottega collection because of the new designer called Daniel Lee. I think previously in the other video where I shared with you about the searching for a bucket bag, I've also already shared with you some content of Daniel Lee. So if you like to find out more about that, I'll place the link up here and you can watch the video again. So I recently went to the Bottega store at Marina Bay Sands, and there were a few items that I'm really in love with. I'm going to insert some of the pictures here for you to see and reference. And eventually I picked out this item here. Can you guess what I bought? A pair of Bottega shoes. Okay, so it comes. This is the receipt envelope, which I'm not going to show you, but let's see the shoe. Okay, it comes with some warranty card that tells you about the product information wrapped up in this envelope, and then it's got a pair of dust bag. Again, I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2, 3. And this is the shoe that I bought. Ta-da! It is the slip-on shoe. So recently I've been looking for a pair of basic black shoe, and when I saw this shoe, I was like, hey, it is actually very functional and it's very comfortable to wear. It has got the Bottega classic weaving on it, but it is in a much bigger squares than the ones that you find on their wallets or on their small leather goods. So inside it is fully lined in leather but in white color. But what makes it really nice is after you wear the shoe, and when you see the top, the bird's eye view, you can actually see a white trimming around it, which is really nice when you wear it on the feet. At the sole, it has got a Bottega Veneta, and it is actually linked from the left to the right, like an artwork. So it's kind of interesting. So this was the pair that I bought, and I can't wait to wear it. I've not worn it yet, and I think it will be very interesting to pair it with a basic pair of pants, or even with chinos, or even with bermudas. I think it will look really interesting. Okay, so this is what I've gotten for myself for my birthday. Yay! Do you like it, guys? Do you like it? Do you like it? Do you like it? I love it. Okay, I would like to share the other pair of shoes that I have, and it is this Bottega sandals or slip-on. So I bought this pair of slip-on quite long ago. I think like maybe 3-4 years ago. However, it is not the most comfortable pair of slippers that I have. Because when you wear it, right, this part, I don't know what's wrong with this part, but it's the way that it's designed. It often cuts into my feet. Okay, and sometimes I get blisters or bleeding after wearing the slippers, which is kind of like ridiculous. But otherwise, I think the design of the slippers is really nice. It's just a very classic pair of black shoe, and the sole is actually quite well done as well. This has been discontinued, but rather they have replaced this weaving to the larger weaving. So if you can see, this is a comparison of the larger weaving and the smaller weaving. This is the classic Bottega that we are very used to seeing, and I think this is more like the updated Bottega that they are trying to bring the brand towards these days. So you can see a difference in the size of the weaving. This is my wallet that I use every day. It is a bifold wallet, nothing much, and a slot for your money, that's all. Okay, it has got 3 compartments here, and 3 compartments on the other side, and an inner compartment on each of this side. I like this wallet a lot because it is very small and it fits into most of my mini bags. That is what I'm having at the moment. Yeah, so it fits really nicely into all the mini bags. Okay, and I have also this bag. Okay, but it's been really used. This is not a current bag. Okay, it is a Bottega bag that I bought, I would say like around 12 or 15 years ago, and I bought this at the Woodsbury outlet mall. As you can see, the bag is totally beat up. I think I will retire this bag soon because the condition and the color is just all gone already. But it is a 15-year-old bag, so I just wanted to show you how the old Bottega looks. This is a very nice tote bag that I've got. Ta-da! This is one of my most treasured bag in my collection. I managed to watch a YouTube video from Mel in Melbourne, and one time she was having a promo code for Luisa Via Roma, and this bag I managed to get it at a 40% discount. So it was really a good deal, and it is full leather, as you can see. Of course, this is very different from the Cabas bag. I think the Cabas bag is the one where the weaving is this. You can see there is a cut and sew here, but for the Cabas bag, it is a full woven. So the technique used to produce that bag is a lot different from this technique. It's supposed to be one hand carry most of the time, okay, because this area here can be quite tight when you wear it. Okay, but sometimes I do wear it this way. Okay, so and it has got a closure at the side, like a button closure, so that you could carry it with a closing bag, or you could open it up and it's like a big bucket inside. So inside it's fully lined in fabric, and there is also a zip here, an inner zip here for you to keep your items. It's not really a bag, but it's more like a clutch. Okay, so when I store my bag, as you can see, I will normally put tissue paper because I want it to absorb the moisture, and then so that your bags won't get moldy. Okay, so this is another Bottega clutch that I have. So it is a very simple clutch. Inside it has got a compartment, and then another inner compartment here where you can slot your documents, I suppose, and then two pockets here for you to put your handphone or etc. And if you can see, I always also insert a cardboard, okay, inside my bag, inside my document bag, because if I do not have a cardboard, you see it loses the shape. But once I insert the cardboard, it retains the shape. Okay, it retains the shape because of the structure, and it makes the bag more rectangular. And when you carry, there is a support. Your envelope bag will not lose its shape. Okay, so this is a little trick that I always do to put my bags in place. This color is a navy color. Okay, whereas the other colors are mainly black. The shoes and the bags are black. Okay, so maybe we can do a little bit of comparison. So this is black, this is navy, and my wallet is actually brown. Okay, I hope you can see the difference in the color. Okay, I only have 3 pieces of clothes in the Bottega collection. One is a 2 pocket shirt. Okay, it's a 2 pocket shirt with button, nothing fanciful. This was I think the last collection before Daniel Lee took over the house. Okay, so it is a wax cotton shirt. I remember I was wearing this in our country in Singapore, and it was so hot. The moment I come back from my lunch, the entire shirt was like totally drenched in my sweat. Actually, I've only worn it once so far because after the bad experience with me sweating, I thought it's like just too hot to wear. So I'm trying to wear it again, especially now it's coming to year end, and I hope the weather will be a lot better. Okay, then the other item that I have in my collection is 2 other polo tees. So this is a basic white polo tee. Okay, and this was from the old collection, As you can see, the embroidery or the logo is still like a ribbon kind of butterfly design. Okay, it has got 3 beautiful shell buttons in front. Okay, and nothing much, it's just a polo tee. The next one I have is another black polo tee. This is more recent, and I like this polo tee very much because of the pocket detail. Can you see the pocket detail has got this triangular kind of origami pocket look, which is quite symbolic of Bottega at the moment. So now they always like to do this symbol, this triangle symbol, which reminds me a little bit, just a little bit of Prada, but I think it has got its own identity. I do not have a lot of accessories, but if you recall, I did a video on this necklace. I still love this necklace a lot, and I'm wearing this necklace a lot. Okay, you can see that it is sterling silver, and you can see the texture of the necklace. So this is still my favorite necklace. I have 3 bracelets from Bottega. When I saw this bracelet, I was like really quite impressed, and I just have to get it because it was quite interesting. So this is how it looks. Okay, and I think these are the other Bottega bracelet that most of us will have, or most people will buy, because it is quite a good price for entry level to buy something for Bottega. So it used to be really trendy to wear this, but now not so much, because yeah, maybe it has already gone out of trend. But nevertheless, I'm still keeping them because sometimes I like to wear the orange as a pop of color to brighten out my outfit. Okay, so this is how the 3 bracelet looks together. Quite nice actually. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this little video that I've put up for you. If you like this kind of content, do remember to press the subscribe button, and then click on the notification bell and click on all notifications so that you will be able to get notified whenever I make a video. If you like to see other brands collection that I have, do comments below what brands you like to see, and I'll try to make other videos to show you. Thank you very much. I hope everybody do take good care, and I see you in the next video.